So what I did was took some flowers and put some flowers right here on the side of that centerpiece. And I'm still going to add some gems. And now I'm about to put some flowers on this side. So let me show y'all how I did it. I went to the Dollar Tree, and of course I got these flowers. I just pulled them off at the end, and I'm gonna push this to the side so it can dry. And I'm gonna leave that alone. And then I'm gonna show you all how I did it. Of course, I got E6000 that I'm gonna use on this along with the hot glue, and you want to glue it right here on the side, because of how I'm gonna slant this on here. I'm not going to use the stem, exactly the stem. So what I'm going to do is place it just like that and blow, of course. Hot glue doesn't take long to dry, but I'm going to blow it anyway, just so it can hold really quickly. Okay, so that's being held. Then I'm going to take some more E6000, just a little bit, and hot glue, and I'm going to place it on this side, and I'm going to blow it just so it can catch. And it did. Okay, I'm using 3 of these, and so I'm going to use one last one, and I'm going to put it up under there to fill that in. You see? Under there to fill that in, so it won't be so open down there. So I'm going to take the same thing. I'm going to use this E6000 to put right there, and some hot glue. And I'm going to slide it up under there just like that. They need to use the glue gun to push it on there a little bit better, all 3 of them. And you blow just to make sure it gets dried, because hot glue doesn't take long to dry at all. And that's pretty much it, you all. So if you like these beautiful coffee table centerpieces, comment down in the section below. And also, I'm going to show y'all once I'm done the overall look of how it is once it is set up. Now, I've just realized something. There's some glue right here that's trickling down, but I'm ready to cover that up so you won't even see that. But I'm going to wait till it dries. So I'm going to show y'all the overall look once it's dried and sat on my coffee table to show you all how it really looks once I'm done. Thank y'all so much. Make sure you subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload, and also thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you all.